Let's see the second Roman. Fill in the blanks and see the first question. The path of light is called as dash. The path of light is called as ray of light. Then what is beam of light? Yes, very good. The answer is group of light rays. Group of light rays is called as beam of light. Then the path of light is called as ray of light. Okay. Then second question. The refractive index of the transparent medium is always greater than dash. The refractive index of the transparent medium is always greater than, answer is 1. Okay. Then third question, if the energy of incident beam and scattered beam are same, then the scattering of light is called as dash scattering. If the energy of incident beam of light and scattered beam of light energy, that type of scattering is called as dash. Yes, very good. The answer is elastic scattering. Here I ask another one more question. If the energy of incident beam of light and scattered beam of light are not same, what type of scattering? Yes, very good. That is inelastic scattering. Is it clear? The next see the fourth question. According to Rayleigh scattering, the amount of scattering of light is inversely proportional to the fourth power of its dash. This is one important 2-mark question. Already we studied. Define Rayleigh scattering. So what is the answer? The Rayleigh scattering is defined as the amount of scattering of light is inversely proportional to fourth power of its wavelength. So the answer is wavelength. And see the fifth question. The amount of light entering into the eye is controlled by dash. The amount of light entering into the eye is controlled by dash. Yes, very good. The answer is iris. Here I ask one more questions to you. In our human eye consists of many parts, you know very well. In which part is colored part of eye? In which one is the colored part of eye? Dear students, say the answer. Yes, very good. The answer is iris. What are the colors? Yes, very good. Blue color, brown color and green color. Blue color, brown color and green color. Okay. Next see the fourth Roman. Match the following. See the first question, retina. What is the answer? Yes, very good. The screen of eye. Retina is a screen of eye because of the images are formed at retina, so that only we can able to see any object. So the answer is screen of eye. The next question, pupil. What is the answer? That pupil is pathway of light. The pupil is pathway of light. Okay. Where it is located? Yes, very good. The center part of iris is known as pupil. The next third question, ciliary muscles. What is the answer? Yes, very good. The power of accommodation, because of it is used to change the focal length of eye lens. So ciliary muscles, the correct match is power of accommodation. The next one question, myopia. What is myopia? We can able to see the near object, we cannot able to see the distant object. So that is myopia problem. Then myopia, it is also called as dash. Yes, very good. Myopia is also called as short sightedness, because of we can able to see only the near object. So you have to match any one option. Which one is correct? Yes, very good. The myopia, the correct match is option B. Fair point comes closer. If the distant point comes closer to the eye means we can't able to see the distant object. So the answer is fair point comes closer. The next question, hypermetropia. What is the answer? The remaining one answer is near point moves away. So hypermetropia, the correct match is near point move away, because of we can't able to see the near object in hypermetropia. Okay, so the answer is near point moves away. Let's see the third Roman, true or false. If false, correct it. First, you have to analyze the statement is true or false. If the statement is false, you have to correct the wrong statement. This is this kind of pattern. Okay. Let's see the first question. The velocity of light is greater in denser medium than in rarer medium. What is the velocity of light value? The velocity of light value is 3 into 10 power 8 meter second power minus 1. That is velocity of light value. The velocity of light is greater in denser medium or greater in rarer medium. Yes, very good. The velocity of light is greater in rarer medium and lesser in denser medium. So the first statement is false. The first statement is false. Then how will you correct? Yes, very good. If the greater will be changed into lesser, the answer is correct. Okay. So correct the statement. The velocity of light is lesser in denser medium than in rarer medium. Is it clear? Then second question, the power of lens depends on the focal length of the lens. The power of lens depends on the focal length of the lens. This statement is correct or wrong? Yes, the answer is correct. That is true. Because of what is power of lens? The power of lens is defined as the reciprocal of focal length of the lens. The reciprocal of focal length of the lens, that is called power of lens. So the power of lens is depends on the focal length of the lens. So the statement is true. Okay. The next question, then third one, the increasing in the converging power of eye lens cause hypermetropia. Increasing in the converging power of eye lens cause hypermetropia. This statement is correct or wrong? Yes, the statement is correct. So the answer is true. Here I ask one questions to you. Here they are using converging lens. What is converging lens, or which lens is converging lens? Yes, very good. That is convex lens. That is convex lens. So converging lens means convex lens. In hypermetropia, how will you correct? How will you correct the hypermetropia problem? Yes, the answer is the hypermetropia will be corrected by convex lens, that is converging lens. So this statement is true. Let's move to the fourth question. The convex lens always gives small virtual image. The convex lens always gives small virtual image. This is correct or wrong? Yes, this is wrong statement. That is false. Okay, this is a wrong statement. Then the convex lens always gives to dash image. The convex lens always gives to dash image. That is real image. Here they are using virtual image, so the answer is wrong. Then how will you correct this statement? Yes, very good. If the lens will produce the small size virtual image means the lens is concave lens. So we have to change the convex lens to concave lens. The statement will be correct. So the correct answer is concave lens always gives to virtual image. The concave lens always gives small virtual image. Is it clear, students? Okay.